Hey folks, Colin here from Aitum. Have you ever wanted to have your chat troll you with some false Discord sounds? Well, now you can. In today's import rule, we're going to set up a channel point redemption that will pick a random Discord sound and play it back on your stream. The first thing you want to do is set up a channel point redemption for this rule. So inside Aitum, we want to click on Twitch and then click on Redemptions. In here, we would then want to add in a new redemption on the top left. In the pop-up displayed, input the name you wish to have for this channel point redemption. Then set up the description, cost, color, make sure you have no user input selected, and if you wish to have a cooldown period so your community can't spam it all at once, you can input that amount in here. Next, we want to head across to aitum.tv/imports, scroll on down, and then hit download next to the Discord troll import item. And finally, download the files from the Google Drive, including the sound files. Next, we want to head back across to Aitum. Inside the app, we want to head to the rules section. Click on import and export on the top right, and then choose import and then select the Aitum file we downloaded before. Inside the wizard, you'll then want to select the channel point redemption we have just set up. Next, choose the audio device you wish for sounds to play out of. And finally, in each file upload, select one of the different sounds we downloaded from the Google Drive. And that's all there is to it. Now your community control you midstream, making you believe you have someone calling you, messaging you, or even disconnecting from your current call within Discord. And if you want to get your own back on your chat, you can knowingly trigger the rule yourself. Do this by using our Stream Deck plugin to set up a button to trigger the rule. If you have any issues with this import, or if you want to show us something very cool that you've made with Aitum, please follow us over on Twitter or join our Discord. Links to both will be in the description down below.